Hello, my dear students of Benguet State University. Welcome to our online class. I am your teacher, Jan Lasea. Today I demonstrate the compilation and run Android project on Android Emulator device. But first, I set some properties of text view and edit text. I select the customer name, change the layout parameters property, the width set to 0 dp, set the weight to 1, select the edit text, change also the width to 0 dp, change the weight or set the weight to 1. Next, select principal amount, change the width to 0 dp, change the weight to 1, select the edit text, change the width to 0 dp, set the weight to 1, change the input type by clicking this button with 3 period, and then check number sign and number decimal, and then click OK. Next, I select rate, change the width to 0 dp, set the weight to 1. I select this edit text, change the width to 0 dp, change the or set the weight to 1, set the input type by clicking this button with 3 periods, check the number sign and number decimal, click OK. I select the time, change the width to 0 dp, set the weight to 1. I select this edit text, change the width to 0 dp, set the weight to 1, change or set the input type and check number, and then click OK. I select the compound interest label, change also the width to 0 dp, set the weight to 1. Also with the label compound amount, change the width to 0 dp, set the weight to 1. Next, let us browse the folder source and open up the main.java. Let us go back to the manual and locate the contents of main.java, and here it is. You need to copy the missing codes from the manual to the Eclipse IDE. You simply encode, copy the missing code. Let me copy the code and replace the existing code, and then click Save All. Let us now compile, run, and test. I right-click the project name time deposit, point to Run As, and then select Android application. And we need to wait that the Android emulator device will appear on the screen. the Android emulator device appear on the screen. An average of more or less 5 minutes that the Android emulator device will boot. We need to be patiently wait because it is slow to boot up. The Android OS emulator has already booted up, but we can see that there are some red error messages in our console. Let us run again. So I right click the time deposit Android project, select run as, and then select Android application. And we can read that it is trying to install the compiled time deposit.apk into this Android emulator. If this message box will appear on the screen, you just simply click OK. Our time deposit mobile application installs and runs successfully in this Android emulator device. Let us test. I will input the customer name, principal amount, rate, time, 2 years, and then click compute. The computed result is displayed in these two labels, compound interest is and compound amount. Let us change the value of the principal amount and then click compute. Let us click the exit button and it will pop out a message box. If I click no, it will not yet exit. Let us click again the exit button and then click yes. Since the time deposit is already installed in this Android emulator device, we can run again by clicking this application button. Slide to the right using the mouse and locate the time deposit mobile app and then click to run. If I click this back button, it will trigger the message box. Write your questions and comments down below or post it in our Google Classroom. That ends our topic for today. I hope you have learned in my class. Thank you for watching. God bless us.